How to replace components in your LCD TV. I'm not going to go over every single little step, but I'm just going to give some pointers. So the first thing, because we were given a big pile of parts, boards and cables, and no instructions. So the first thing you want to do is lay out all the parts next to each other, and then start on the left or the right. Do one board at a time. So start by unplugging all the cables from the board. White cables typically have tabs on the top. And then unscrew the first board. Take it out.
Even like that, it's still dangerous. So
Put the replacement board in and screw it down. And make sure not to lean on the TV during this process. Never ever. You could crack the LCD. So you screw it back in exactly the same way. Make sure it's tight. Put the cables in. The black ribbon cables here,
does it just have adhesive?
They're stuck down to the TV with adhesive at the corners. So be gentle when you peel them off.
And how do you pull those?
They come out.
You just yank on them?
Sometimes and sometimes not.
They've got tabs on the left and the right that you have to squeeze before pulling them out. So squeeze with one hand, pull with the other.
You have to push these. And just leave it. And you push on this?
Don't do that.
Make sure to keep the cables lined up so you don't get confused. Get the wireless antenna out.
They were like, and apparently the Belgians never followed up on it.
Ah, yes, the Belgians.
So when I got there on Monday, or when I got there to do the install,
So you have to send them back, right?
and then I was like,
That's what I thought. That one sits put.
anything to it that's okay, I only did this. Don't bend it up.
That one's not in all the way. You're gonna have to finish it.
The ribbon cables with blue tabs are ZIF connectors. ZIF means zero insertion force, so they don't have clips, you have to actually push them in.
That's okay, that one's disposable.
By doing one board at a time, it lets you keep track of the screws and things. You won't get confused and mix up parts. And finally, once you've got all your cables in and laid
There's
out,
one here, there is one here, and there's one
peel
here.
the adhesive and stick the cables down. The adhesive is important because it prevents the cables from getting caught or sagging
There's one here and there's one here.
inside the TV.
You can probably get both of these at the same time.
Whoops.
There. No, that one.
It was inside D.
Yeah.
And make sure to put the antenna back in.
Is that it? I just push it in?
Well, all the laptops have this.
And get the lid back on. You have to be careful, make sure various screws have different lengths and sizes.
So make sure
Mostly, sometimes you may accidentally put a short screw in a deep hole, and you'll keep turning and turning and turning, and the screw won't ever set.
Yeah.
So keep track of where you pulled each screw out. Maybe on a piece of paper or something.